Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about Grade 10 General Business Studies project. The students will find the project in Term 1 Business Studies timeline project and tasks unit that I have created for them. They will also find useful files in order to help them answer questions easily. So when they scroll down, they will find the project question, which is marketing project. They need to click on the marketing project file. They should download it on their computer or laptop. The students should also take a look at Grade 10 project important guidance file that I have uploaded to them in order to help them answer the project questions easily. So now let's view the questions of the project in the Word document that students have to complete. First of all, this is the project document. The students have to write their student ID, student name, school name, grade or class. After that, they have question number 1, which is explain why businesses choose to market their product. An answer can be marketing informs your customers about the products or services you are offering them. Through marketing, the customers get to know about the value of the products, their usage, and additional information that might be helpful to the customers. It creates brand awareness and makes the business stand out. As you can see, the score of this question is 2 marks. Then they will move to the second question in order to answer it, which is who will buy your product? As you can see, it is recommended that students carry out market research to identify a target market for their product. So all of you have actually have conducted a market research. So let's view the one that I have showed you previously as an example using Microsoft Forms. So this is an example market research questionnaire. The product is ice cream lock. Let's view the questionnaire together. We are conducting a market research and we would like you to answer the following questions. Number 1, if you find our product idea, ice cream lock on the market, are you going to buy it? Yes or no? Number 2, if the ice cream lock price is 20 dirhams, are you going to buy it? Yes or no? 3, do you think that ice cream lock would be useful? Yes or no? Number 4, from your point of view, who would buy the ice cream lock? Teenagers or adults? As you can see, this question would help students identify the target market for their products. Number 5, where would you like to find our product, which is ice cream lock? In supermarkets, in shopping malls, at Nook Station, or online? So after carrying out this market research questionnaire, you should share it in order to gather responses. So how are you going to share the results or the responses of your market research questionnaire with the marker that is going to mark your project? You're going to answer the second question in this way. I have carried out market research questionnaire for my product, which is, so here you're going to write the name of your product, and after that you're going to provide or to write down the link for your Microsoft form. For example, you're going to click on share, but you are going to choose share to collaborate. Why? Because when you click on share to collaborate, the marker can view the responses of your questionnaire or of your form. Like this, copy, and then you paste the link in your Word document in the project. Question number 3. Use your research to recommend a target market for your product. An answer can be according, of course, it's going to be according to the questionnaire results or responses. According to the market research questionnaire results or responses, the target market could be teenagers and adults because they will find the product useful or my product useful. Then you will move to question number 4, which is what is the USP of your product? Identify a USP for your product. The score is, or the total mark is, for this question, 2 marks. Okay, now let's move to the PowerPoint to see how are you going to answer this question and what is meant by the USP. To be successful, it helps if your product has a unique selling point USP. A USP means that your product has a feature or characteristic that no other product has. What is that will make your product stand out? So, possible USPs can be lowest price, great design, best quality, or innovation. So there's a tip for you. A USP must be something that your product has but other products don't have. Students in exams often say they will offer low prices. This isn't a USP if another firm offers lower prices. The Irish airline Ryanair does promise customers the lowest prices and works hard to ensure that it will not be beaten on price. Price is its USP. So, to answer question number 4, students should identify a USP for their product. Let's move to question number 5, branding your product. Create a strong brand for your product. You may use images and illustrations to explain your ideas. The score is 4 marks. So, to answer this question, the students need to write the name of their product, use an image of their brand, the logo of the brand, slogan of their product. And they're going to mention that my brand makes my product more attractive to customers. Now let's move to question number 6, which is about pricing your product. Let's go back to the PowerPoint that I have shared with you, and that is so useful. So, pricing your product. Setting the right price for your product is important. If you choose the wrong price, the product may not sell or you may not make a profit. In order to get full marks, you must give a reason why your pricing strategy is suitable for your product. Each pricing strategy will have advantages and disadvantages. Try giving one advantage and one disadvantage. So, here I give you some information about a pricing strategy. So, let's read together. A pricing strategy is a method used to establish the best price for a product or service. It helps you choose prices to maximize profits while considering consumer and market demand. Pricing is one of the most important aspects of your market strategy, which also includes promotion, placement or distribution, and people. I think it is important when you are considering your price that you realize it is not for yourself but for your target customers. So let's take a look at different pricing strategies that we have covered in this term and we have learned about. One of the strategies is cost plus pricing. So, cost plus pricing is used by a business that only produces one product. One of the benefits is that there is guaranteed profit on each product. A drawback can be price may be too high. So, you are going to choose a pricing strategy or method that suits your product. Another pricing strategy is competitive pricing. It is used by a business that has many competitors. A benefit is that the business can sell its products and keep customers. A drawback may be difficult to make high profits. Another strategy is price skimming. It is used by a business that sells innovative technological products. A benefit can be it helps businesses to cover high development costs. A drawback is that some people may not be able to afford the product. Another method of pricing is promotional pricing. It is used by a business that wants to increase sales or enter a new market. One of the benefits, it helps customers to recognize a product and brand. A drawback may make the product look cheap. So, students are going to choose the suitable pricing strategy for their product. After that, they should talk about or write about distributing their product. So there is a question which is compare the benefits of selling your product through a retailer or direct to the customer. Think about why it is a good idea to sell through a retailer who may have a shop. Think about why a business would wish to sell direct to the customer. Also, think about profit. Explain which method of distribution you would use. Give a reason why you would choose to sell through a retailer or why you might choose to sell direct. So, question number 7A, compare the benefits of selling your product through a retailer or direct to the customer. So you're going to answer in this way. Some benefits of selling your product through a retailer can be, or some benefits of selling your product direct to the customer can be. So let's share some ideas. So benefits, if you're going to choose to write about benefits to selling direct to consumer or customer, answers can be, one of the benefits is that expand your brand reach. Prior to the internet, brands largely relied on resellers to reach customers. Rarely did a manufacturer or wholesaler sell directly to consumers. However, today with everyone carrying around a smartphone, brands can reach their customer anytime, anywhere. No physical store needed. Another benefit can be control your brand story. If you choose to selling direct to consumer, or selling direct to customer.